Yo guys, what's up? It's SternOak coming at you with a brand new video, and today we're going to be unboxing the $30 AirPods Pros that I got. It took a month to come in, but I finally got it, so let's see how it is compared to my real AirPods, if I can find them. Oh yeah, these ones right here. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so these are from AliExpress, okay? I can't put the link in the description because, you know, monetization issues. So what's funny is that yesterday, guys, last night, these AirPods, the left one stopped working. I spent the whole night trying to get the left AirPod to work. And then this morning, these $30 AirPods that I've been waiting a month for came in, guys. So it's kind of crazy. Again, this is $30 with free shipping. I could have done express shipping for $15, but there's no point in doing that. Okay. Box looks pretty legit. They say don't judge a book by its cover, but this is looking pretty legit already. Alright, so the seller does specify that this noise cancelling doesn't work in this, of course, but they said the transparency mode does work. It's the thing where you can hear stuff better even when your music is playing. So I'm interested to see if the transparency mode is actually legit, but noise cancelling, that's really expensive to put on any type of headphones, so I'm not surprised that it doesn't work. But they said they do have a fake button for it, just doesn't work. Do we get stickers? Oh, we got the Chinese stickers. Alright. Hey, the manual looks legit though. So wow, this looks legit. Like it even has a little plastic wrap thing that's around it. Okay, guys. Feeling. Ooh, that was satisfying. My camera sucks. Alright. Oh my god. There we go, the focus. Ooh. These look legit, guys. Let's compare to the real AirPods real quick. I know it's not the same model, but in terms of build quality, wow. Wow, what? Even the shade of white is the exact same. It's crazy, because I was worried about that because I saw some reviews, and like the shade of the boxes, it looked kind of different, but this is like the same, man. There we go. Bluetooth. Time to disconnect the real AirPods. Oh yeah, there's other stuff in the box too, guys. While I'm trying to get it to connect, let's see what else is in here. Oh, they have the tips. Oops, it fell out. But wow, the package is literally like the real ones, guys. Okay, I'm not telling you to scam people, but I mean, if you want to give people a Christmas gift, like little kids, like they will not tell the difference. Like they will think this is the real deal. Okay, that's a little cheat code I got for you guys. You know, little birthday gift. So they have different tips. So the ones that's already on are the medium-sized ones, and then there's small and there's big ones. Okay. And then let's see the cable. If this is a USB-C cable, I'll be impressed because the legit AirPods Pros come with USB-C cable to Lightning, and those are pretty expensive, guys. Even the third-party ones, it's $10 for a USB-C to Lightning cable. So if this comes with it, I'll be impressed. Yes, guys. Wow. It's USB-C to Lightning. This is like a $20 cable if you buy from the Apple Store. $10 from other suppliers. This came with them. And it's $30 total for the whole thing. It's crazy. Okay, guys. So they're connected. My ears. It's kind of laid out because it took me almost an hour to fix the issue, guys. They did not want to connect. Originally, this video was supposed to be out a month ago, basically unboxing and first impressions, but I made a huge oversight, guys. I was supposed to do a software update, guys, because most of my problems by now have been fixed. Problems like trouble with connecting, constant disconnecting and like a Chinese voice notifying me when the battery was low or when it was connecting. That was super annoying. All of that has been removed with my update to iOS 13.3. In the video, I was on iOS 13.0. The original iOS 13.0 had many issues, including the issue with the AirPods. So now that it's updated to iOS 13.3, you can see, guys, there's no issues with connections. There we go. There's the AirPods connection prompting me to connect, right? And they work perfectly, guys. After 1 month, it's really amazing. The bass is deep. It's way deeper than my AirPods. It's kind of crazy. With regards to battery life, I get about 4 hours in one charge, guys. The normal AirPods Pro also does get 4 hours, guys, but that's with noise canceling. Without noise canceling, the original ones get about 5 hours. So of course, I said, these ones don't have noise canceling, so remember that. Transparency mode works, guys. Put these in. So it feels very secure in your ears, just like OG real AirPods. So let me show you guys control center. You can press and hold this, and you can see noise cancellation in transparency mode. All right. So the noise cancellation, it's a fake button. Transparency, on the other hand, it is a real feature, guys. Like basically it works like it uses the mics on your earphones to listen to your surroundings, and basically lets you hear whatever's around. So also, once you go to settings, see it's labeled as AirPods Pro as well. You can also change the name just like the normal ones, and you can change what the left and right clicks do. It's not like the OG AirPods Pro where you kind of apply pressure to it to do something. This one you just tap like the normal AirPods. So, and also, guys, the automatic ear detection. Basically, when you put your earphones down, it'll stop the music. And for me, it's been very accurate, guys. It's kind of crazy. And ear tip fit test. I'm pretty sure this testing is fake. Basically, it tells you which AirPods. It tells you which ear tips are best for your ears, like the small, medium, or large ones. Microphone, you can change the microphone stuff too. I'll just set it to automatically switch right now. Okay, so first con is the battery life. It's just not accurate, guys. It jumps from like 10% to 90%. It's not accurate, so it's kind of a bummer because I know some of you guys need that battery life indicator. For me, I kind of charge my AirPods before the 4 hours quoted use time, so I kind of battery life is not really a concern to me because I always have it charged up and ready to go. So I don't really use them for more than 4 hours a day. Okay, like another con is that sometimes you can get a ringing noise, but that's only sometimes. Usually it gets fixed by just disconnecting and reconnecting the AirPods Pro. But yeah, sometimes there's a ringing noise for a few seconds, and it's kind of annoying. And then another con is that the charger port, it's kind of loose compared to the original AirPods. It's like, you guys know when you plug in your iPhone or AirPods, it's just a tight, secure connection. This one, it feels kind of loose. You just plug it in, and you're just left wondering whether you connected it properly or not. But to me, that doesn't really matter because at the end of the day, it does get charged. But okay, guys, so for $30, do I think these AirPods Pro from AliExpress are worth it? Yes, 100% worth it. It looks the same. That you could fool a lot of people with it. Just please don't be a piece of crap and sell this on like OfferUp or Let Go for like $200. Please, guys, don't be that guy. Okay, so anyway, guys, that's all I have to say. But one more thing, guys, I will say is that If you guys were kind of turned off by the cons that I listed, the OG AirPods, you know, the normal AirPods clones, they are a lot more polished, and they go for around the same price as the AirPods Pro clones. These ones are still being worked on, but the normal AirPods clones have been mastered, guys. There's so many of them you can find them, like even on Amazon. Even on Amazon you can find them now. So, yeah, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.